All right, so we're just going to start with the alphabet in cursive. A, B. So the idea with cursive is you want to be able to easily attach every letter. So that's where this little loop comes. And it would go like that, and then back down like that. All right, it's getting a little fuzzy, isn't it? All right, so the E's a little different, okay? So it goes around and down, and the little E is like that. F is very strange. Now that just is a T, but if you change it with this little line, it's now an F. Okay. G. So you always want to do H is difficult. But it's very pretty. I love H. Okay, and everyone does it differently. That is a bell ringing. H, I, J. Pretty much exactly the same. Oh my gosh, the neighbor's dogs are going wild. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. All right. And a little bitty K is kind of a pain in the butt to make it look right. All right, so it goes up, down, and then you gotta go. I need some work on my K. I have a sister I need to call. L. Oops, I did. Okay, so that's the little L, but the big L is like lovely. Isn't it beautiful? All right, L. All right, so I gotta be real with you. As a cake decorator, people are not gonna like this, but this is the way I learned to do it. 1, 2. Okay, not good. Okay, people are gonna want it like this. I really messed that one up. Okay.